Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss exercise 12.3 question number 5. When a is equal to 0, b is equal to minus 1, find the value of the given expressions. Let us find the value of the given expressions. Number 1. Number 1 is 2a plus 2b. Therefore, 2a, 2. The value of a is 0 plus 2b, 2 into b. The value of b is minus 1. Therefore, we are getting 2 into 0 is 0. Plus 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. 0 minus 2 is, the value is minus 2. Question number 2. Question number 2 is 2a square plus b square plus 1. The value of a is 2 into the value of a is 0, that is 0 square plus b square, b is minus 1 whole square plus 1. Therefore, we are getting 0 into 0 is 0, that is this value is 0. Minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1 plus 1, that is 1 plus 1 is 2. Question number 3. Question number 3 is 2 a square b plus 2 a b square plus ab. Then we are getting 2 into a square means 0 square into b is minus 1 plus 2 into a, that is 0, into b square is minus 1 whole square plus ab. A is 0 and b is minus 1. The whole thing is multiplied by 0, that means comes to 0. The whole thing is multiplied by 0, then it is comes to 0 also. And this is 0 into minus 1 is also 0. Then we are getting it as 0. Right? The first one is, the answer is minus 2. The second one is 2. And the third one is 0. And the fourth question number 4 here you see is, first one is a square plus ab plus 2. The value of a is 0, that is 0 square plus ab is 0, b is minus 1 plus 2. Then we are getting 0 into 0 is 0, 0 into minus 1 is also 0 plus 2. Then the answer is 2. Right? That means the first value is minus 2, the second one is plus 2, the third one is 0, and the fourth one is 2. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.